Hi folks, now I've run out of my hand soap, so I'm going to show you how to make your own liquid hand soap. In fact, today I'm going to make liquid foaming hand soap. Now here's the thing, you can buy them on Amazon. You're going to need a container, or do what I do and whip down to the supermarket, buy a little foam liquid hand dispenser and just tip all of it out and repurpose this, okay? So this is chemical-free liquid foaming hand soap. As I say, just if you want to have just liquid hand soap, just use a different top, all right? Don't get the foaming one. But foaming's nice, we like it. Righto, so what you're going to need here is Castile soap, all right? Castile soap, for those of you who don't know, originally comes from the area in Spain called Castile, and it was made from olive oil. Now they make it with olive oil and coconut oil and I think jojoba and stuff like that. Completely chemical-free, biodegradable, environmentally wonderful for the planet, and it is rockstar stuff. Not only that, listen to this. Now, there's all this writing on here. I never bothered to read it because I can't see it without my glasses, but I decided to read it. Listen to this company, Dr. Bronner's company. Now, it doesn't have to be Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, but you might want to when you listen to what they do for their employees. Look at this. Well, don't look, listen to this. All right, where is it? Oh, here it is. Dr. Bronner's Magic Soap believes in business that's good for employees, society, and the planet. Now, all profits not needed to reinvest in the company, Dr. Bronner's donates to charity and worthwhile causes. At least a third of after-tax profits over and above funds for fair trade projects. Executive compensation is capped at 5-to-1, meaning that no one earns more than 5 times any other. All employees receive up to 25% of their salary as a bonus every year. They get 15% of their salary as profit sharing for retirement, and have 100% free healthcare for themselves and their families. I mean, talk about a rockstar company. Right, let's get to the soap. So, now you can just use complete, now this has got eucalyptus essential oil. You'll find them with lavender, rose, eucalyptus. This has got eucalyptus, so I could just use this, pour that directly into it, fill it up, and you could just, but it's so concentrated, I only use 2 tablespoons of this, and I just kind of guess it out. So about 2 tablespoons. Now this is 200 mils, so 30 mils, 7 ounces in this jar. So what I'll do, I'll fill it up to about, now if you use, because you're going to use water, if you use distilled water, that'll last longer than, say, just normal tap water. So if you've got that, even better. So because you're going to use water, then there's no preservative in it. So what you want to do every month or so, change, get a bottle at the size that you'd use it, say every month, and you change it out, okay? And that's exactly what we do here. So I fill it up around about 3/4 full, and then I put in about a couple of tablespoons of Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. So again, I'm going to guesstimate it, and there we go. And there we go. Now, you can put in whatever essential oils you want. Antibacterial essential oils, sweet orange. Orange is fantastic. I'm going to use tea tree. You could use lavender, whatever you like. So a really nice blend, but sweet orange is beautiful. What did I say? I've got tea tree here. So it's antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. 1, 2. So I'd put in around about 15 to 20 drops. All right, and there we go. And it smells amazing. Put your top on. Never have to buy chemical hand soap ever again. And look, just to show you it works, I'll get in there. And look at that. Our own little foaming hand soap. Completely natural. Safe for the planet, chemical-free, safe for your skin. Now, if you wanted to, you could put some vitamin E, a few drops of vitamin E in there, or even some aloe, some sort of skin softening agents if you want to, avocado oil, jojoba, whatever you like, if you've got dry skin or you've got hard water. But that's it. That's how simple it is. So you can go to Amazon, buy these little pump-top bottles. Absolutely awesome. Have them around your house. And it's that simple. Really fantastic. And say you're doing a great job for chemical free on your hands, for the planet, for the family.